Have you ever used a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa and thought to yourself, "Wow, this is really cool, but how does it actually work?" If so, you're not alone. AI, or artificial intelligence, can be a mysterious and intimidating concept, but it's actually a lot simpler than you might think. In this video, we're going to demystify AI and give you a better understanding of what it is and how it works. We'll start by explaining the basic concept of AI and how it's used to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Then, we'll delve into the different types of AI, including narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Finally, we'll talk about the history of AI and some of the common applications of AI that you might encounter in your everyday life. So if you're ready to learn more about artificial intelligence and how it's changing the world, keep watching. At the most basic level, artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes tasks like understanding language, recognizing patterns, learning from data, and making decisions. But how does AI actually work? Well, there are many different approaches to designing AI systems, but most involve the use of algorithms and machine learning techniques to enable the system to improve its performance over time. Essentially, the system is fed a large dataset of information and is then able to recognize patterns and make predictions based on that data. So, to summarize, AI refers to the ability of a machine or computer system to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. It works by using algorithms and machine learning techniques to recognize patterns in data and improve its performance over time. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between narrow AI, general AI, and super AI? These are three different types of artificial intelligence that you might have heard of, but what do they all mean? Let's find out. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is the most common type of AI that you're probably already familiar with. It's what powers your virtual assistant on your phone, helps self-driving cars navigate the road, and even sorts through your emails to find spam. Some of the examples include image recognition, hyper-personalization, chatbots, and predictive text. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks, and it's really good at doing those things. But what about general AI, also known as strong AI? This is the kind of AI that can do anything a human can do. It's the stuff of science fiction, and it's not something we have yet. Some experts believe it may be possible to create general AI in the future, but it would be a major breakthrough and would require a deep understanding of how the human mind works. But what could general AI be used for if it were achieved? The possibilities are endless. Imagine AI systems that can solve complex mathematical problems, understand and generate natural language, recognize patterns and make predictions based on data, design and build new products or technologies, analyze and interpret complex information, and even make strategic decisions. Finally, there's super AI. This is the AI that's smarter than any human in every field. It's the kind of AI that could solve any problem, invent new technologies, and even make strategic decisions that humans couldn't even begin to comprehend. Super AI is purely theoretical at this point, and it's not clear if it will ever be possible to create it. But if it were, some experts believe it could bring about unprecedented advances and benefits for society, while others believe it could pose a potential threat to humanity. If it were achieved, the possibilities are even more mind-blowing. Super AI could potentially perform tasks that are currently beyond the capabilities of humans, such as solving problems that we don't even know how to approach, making complex decisions in real time, or even improving itself and other AI systems. So, to summarize, narrow AI is the most common type of AI and is designed to perform specific tasks. General AI is the stuff of science fiction and is designed to be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can. And super AI is even more advanced and is significantly smarter than the best human minds in every field. Have you ever stopped to think about where the idea of artificial intelligence, or AI, came from? It might surprise you to know that the history of AI dates back to the 1950s, when researchers first began exploring the idea of creating machines that could perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Some of the early pioneers in the field of AI include Alan Turing, who is considered to be the father of modern computer science, and John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence in 1955. These researchers and many others laid the foundations for the field of AI as we know it today. In the early years of AI research, scientists focused on creating systems that could perform specific tasks, such as playing chess or solving mathematical problems. These early AI systems were often referred to as expert systems, as they were designed to mimic the decision-making processes of human experts in a particular field. But AI has come a long way since then. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI research experienced a resurgence, driven in part by advances in computer hardware and software that made it possible to build more powerful and sophisticated AI systems. During this time, researchers also began exploring the use of machine learning techniques, which allow AI systems to learn and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Today, AI is used in a wide range of applications, from virtual assistants and self-driving cars to medical diagnosis and financial analysis. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with researchers and developers working to create more powerful and sophisticated AI systems that can perform a wider range of tasks. So the next time you interact with an AI system, whether it's a virtual assistant on your phone or a recommendation algorithm on a website, you'll have a better understanding of the rich history and development of AI that has led us to where we are today. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how AI works, we hope you'll continue watching to learn more about this exciting and rapidly evolving field. As we've learned, artificial intelligence, or AI, has the ability to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. But where do we actually see AI being used in our daily lives? One place you might encounter AI is on the road. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions without human input. Or you might use a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa to perform tasks or provide information using voice commands. These assistants use AI to understand and respond to human language. AI is also making a big impact in the medical field, where it's being used to analyze medical images and assist in the diagnosis of diseases. In the financial industry, AI is used to analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and even detect fraudulent activity. But AI isn't just limited to these fields, it's also being used in education to personalize learning experiences and provide personalized recommendations for educational content. And when you contact a customer service representative, there's a good chance you're interacting with an AI chatbot or virtual assistant. As we've learned, artificial intelligence has the potential to bring many benefits and improvements to our lives. But like any technology, AI also has its drawbacks and the potential for negative effects on humans. One concern is job displacement. As AI systems become more advanced, they may be able to perform tasks that were previously done by humans, potentially leading to job loss and unemployment. But it's not just blue-collar jobs that are at risk. Even highly skilled professionals like doctors, developers, or lawyers may find their jobs impacted by AI. Another issue is bias and discrimination. AI systems can be biased if they are trained on biased data, leading to discriminatory outcomes. For example, facial recognition software has been shown to be less accurate at identifying people of color, leading to potential issues with false positives and negative consequences for individuals who are misidentified. Privacy concerns are also a major issue with AI. These systems often require large amounts of data to function, which raises concerns about data privacy and the potential for personal information to be misused or mishandled. And when things go wrong with an AI system, it can be difficult to hold it accountable. AI systems can be complex and hard to understand, making it challenging to determine who or what is responsible for mistakes. This can be especially problematic in fields like healthcare or finance, where the consequences of an AI system's mistakes can be severe. Finally, as people become more reliant on AI systems, they may lose certain skills or become less able to function without them. This could lead to a dependence on technology and a lack of resilience in the event of a technological failure. So it's important to carefully consider the potential drawbacks and negative effects of AI and to take steps to mitigate them when implementing AI systems. As with any technology, it's a balancing act between the benefits and the potential risks. Well, that's it for the video. We've covered a lot of ground, from the three main categories of AI to the potential benefits and drawbacks of this exciting technology. We've learned that AI has the potential to transform many different industries and make our lives easier and more efficient. But it's also important to carefully consider the potential drawbacks and negative effects of AI and to take steps to mitigate them when implementing AI systems. Want to learn more about AI and its potential impact on the future? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all things AI. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you think about this fascinating technology. Thanks for watching.